Is the Mivo Dashcam Pro a scam in 2026, or is it the real deal? I'm going to break it down, no hype, just facts, and my honest take. First off, let me clear up the biggest confusion. The Mivo Dashcam Pro is often tied to the legitimate Mio 5 4K series. If you're getting the official Mio 5 S1, S1 Pro, or dual dash cam, you're dealing with a brand that's actually respected by tech reviewers. We're talking true 4K resolution, sturdy build, and some pretty cool features. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. The scam risk comes from where you buy it. If you've ever seen those sketchy ads on social media or weirdly cheap dashcam sites with names like Car Dash Cam Pro, be careful. Tons of people have reported never getting their order or receiving junk that's a far cry from what was promised. No support, no returns, just frustration. Let's get into what makes the legit Mio 5 models stand out. First, real 4K recording. That means 3840 by 2160 pixels at 30 frames per second, using a Sony IMX sensor. The footage is sharp enough to read license plates and catch all the details, even in busy city traffic. Storage is another win. Instead of those fragile micro SD cards, you get built-in eMMC storage. We're talking 64 or even 128 gigabytes that hold up against heat and cold. Plus, you never have to fumble with swapping cards. And for the techies, it's got integrated GPS and AI. You get speed tracking right in your footage, alerts if you're about to rear-end someone, and it can even warn you when traffic starts moving again. That's a serious upgrade from basic dash cams. One thing I love, it uses a supercapacitor, not a battery. That means it won't fry in the summer or freeze up in winter. It's rated for temps from -10 to 45 degrees Celsius, perfect for just about anywhere you'd drive. Now, real talk on performance. Daytime video is awesome. Colors are true, details are crisp, and you'll have no trouble spotting what's happening on the road. Night vision? It does pretty well, but you might see some glare from streetlights. Not perfect, but definitely above average for the price. The app is where things could be better. Downloading clips is quick, but the interface is a little bare bones. Not a deal breaker, but don't expect a ton of fancy features. Build quality's solid, though some mounts can't swivel 360 degrees, which can be annoying if you want that extra flexibility. So, bottom line, Mivo Dashcam Pro, or more accurately, official Mio 5 models, are legit if you buy from trusted sources. Don't fall for too good to be true deals or knockoff websites. You'll get what you pay for, or in some cases, absolutely nothing. Want a dash cam that just works? Stick to the real Mio 5 and always double check the seller. Stay safe and keep your eyes on the road.